Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffering here, free online, tradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the GrokStar Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Let's look at a trade that we had in the GrokStar Trading Room this morning, and it was on OREX. It was rocketing up, and one of our members at just about 11 o'clock said, "Hey, look at this one." And here it was. It made a big run up, was doing a bull pullback, which failed, and then it was doing a symmetrical triangle here, and it broke out from that, but that's right when we started to look at it, when it's doing this high base. If you want to know more about a high base, you just go to our site, Free Online Trading Education, and right here to the Chart School, and you can get at this two ways. You can either go down here to Chart Patterns and look for high base, or you can just click on Chart School, and we go right to it, and then down here under stock patterns, we go to bullish ones, we go to high base right there. So here's what it looks like. It runs up, and it's running across a line of resistance, for whatever reason, at that level. Is a bullish formation. If it breaks out, we want to be long. Here's a written description of it, and then we also have some pictures of some real life ones here in the charts down below. So we'll give you some examples, but we're going to do a real live example right now. Here we are back at our example. It's high basing right here. Set a trade if it breaks out, and I did not actually get in this trade, but one of our members, Moosey, did, and he boom right there, and now he is in at $7.30. He is long OREX, and then boom, it took off after that. Many of us were in the room at this point starting to watch this trade develop. Look at that, boom, boom, boom. No entry for us now, but we're just going to play. So we actually opened it up, and we traded this together with him in the GrokStar room. Look at that, boom, boom, boom. Look at that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up candles in a row. Let's consolidate this down a little bit, and now it's just starting to take a little breather. The first breather here, a little bit of a mini bull pullback. So some of our members are getting ready to go long in a bull pullback here, but Moosey is in this one, and it's now doing a little pullback. So let's talk about a stop. So initially had it set here, and he's moving it up here underneath this 8 EMA. We're right now here at about 772 as far as our stop. And then we continue to move on from there. Boom! Look at that beautiful bull pullback, and some of our members did get in here long as it broke out above the $8 mark. Now look at it. Now it's high basing, coming back to the $8, which was once resistance, is now support. And we're going to move our stop up here now, right up here to just underneath that, and this is moving around a little bit. Let's see what happens next. And you know what? It was stalled right there, so Moosey decided he'd take out half. And right at $8, took out half for 9.5% on the first half alone. Has his stop set for the second half right here. And then, boom, boom, look at this sucker go. It's still going. We got to consolidate this down again so we can keep the whole trade in this picture here. And it goes up here, and it's rolling up here, and it's starting to slow down a little bit. Moving the stop from here to $8, and then he moved it up here about the 820 area, just below this 8 EMA, exponential moving average on the 1 minute chart that we're trading, and it's starting to pull back here a little bit. Okay, another bull pullback here, could roll out and go big again. And let's see, boom, there she goes. Look at that, go, go, go. Look at it go, unbelievable here. And it ran all the way up to $8.80. And again, he's been managing to stop, moving it here, and now managing to stop to here, and now he's managing to stop up here to the 8 EMA, and bam, got him out right here at $8.50 for 16.4% on the second half. Ooh, doggies. So let's take a look at this whole trade here. Again, it was a high base breakout, and then it's all a matter of managing your stop. And it ran up here big, did a little pullback, but he had to stop under this 8 EMA, stayed in. When it stalled here, he took out half. And then it ran up again, and it was doing another bull pullback, but it broke below that 8 EMA and got him out for the second half. So this total trade here was for 12.95% in 25 minutes. Hooah! Congratulations, Moosey, on his record trade of all time. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. I did not trade this one. We were simply had it up on our screen and we're managing it with him as we all talked through it in the GrokStar room. Learning for all of us. And it just reminds me that, you know, it's better to be wishing you were in a trade than to be in a trade wishing you were out. Trade well.